Welcome to Lala Land. If you're new here in Lala and if you're a returner, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to apply 25mm lashes. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so hey y'all, we're going to be up close and a little bit personal for right now. Like I said, using these 5 simple steps, you are going to be able to apply lashes by the end of this video, and that's fast. I'm so tired. I'm tired, and I know you're tired of not being able to put on lashes, of having the perfect makeup look. But where are the lashes? Where are the lashes? But where are the lashes? Where they at? Oh, that's right, you don't know how to apply them. After that, that's a thing of the past. I too was once a person who didn't know how to apply lashes. I didn't know. But now I know. And now I'm going to show you how to do it too. And I'm going to show you how to do it correctly, because it's not giving this. That's not giving. We're not doing that no more. I'm about to show y'all the secret to applying lashes. Let's get right into it. Now, obviously, the first thing that you're gonna need is an eyelid. Check. You got that. The second thing you need is lashes. Yes. And as you can see, it does say 25mm, and that's on period. That we only do 25mm over here, baby. So you have your lash. Next thing you're gonna need is a pair of scissors, and we're gonna cut the lash to our eye shape. So how I cut my lash is I cut the end first. I cut both ends. I cut both ends first. Alright. Then I take the other end. See? It's like a little end sticking off. So I take that and I cut that as well. Okay, now that the ends are cut off, I'm going to use my mirror, and I'm going to take this mirror and I'm going to measure the eyelash onto my eye and see where the eyelash stops on my eye. Okay, I measured the eyelash to my eye, and there's only about right here it's sticking off of my lash, off of my real lash. So I'm gonna cut that off, and now I'm gonna measure it again to see if it fits onto my lash. Okay, so yes, this definitely fits onto my lash. Now I'm going to take the other one and cut that as well. So I have both of the lashes cut to my eye shape. For right now, I'm going to take those. I'm going to take the eyelashes that I just cut, and I'm going to place those back in the packaging, at least for right now. So now what we're going to do is prep our eye for the lash. To me, these steps are vital. You cannot skip these steps, or else your lash application could end up looking messy or just a little off. So first, you take your eyeliner of choice. My eyeliner that I'm using today is the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply that to my, I guess it's called a lash line. My eyelid line. You know what I'm talking about. You'll see it. Now that you have on your eyeliner, you're going to take your mascara of choice, and my mascara is the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. And you're gonna take that and apply that to your natural lashes. Now that you have your mascara applied, the next step is applying the lash glue. Now, I've seen a lot of people take their lash glue and apply it to the lash. What I like to do is I take this is my lash glue. I like to buy lash glue that has a very thin tip like this. Almost like an eyeliner tip, and I apply it to my lash line. So now I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to apply it to my lash line. After about 30 seconds, you're gonna take your lash with your tweezers. You're gonna take your mirror, and rather than trying to apply it like this with your mirror straight ahead, take your mirror and hold it a little bit under. My mirror, it tilts, it's able to tilt. So I tilt my mirror up just a little and I hold it under me. So that way I'm able to see my lash line fully. Now I'm gonna take my eyelash and I'm gonna apply it to my eye. Once your eyelash is applied to your eyelid, take your tweezers and press down the lash into your natural lashes, just to ensure that the lashes are secure. We don't want them flying off. Finishing touch, I like to go back in with my mascara on the bottom of my natural lashes, just to ensure they are blended properly. After that is done, you have successfully learned how to apply 25 mm lashes. 5 easy steps, 5 quick easy steps, quick easy. And the products that I use, I will link in the description. And just that quick, you going from naked mole rat to a baddie, period. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below a purple heart if you like this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.